Hey guys, Joseph here with Valleywise Exteriors. I'm starting a mission this year to prevent up to 20,000 liters of bleach from entering our local streams and waterways. We're Cowichan Valley's only BC Green certified business, completely independently verified. We're also Surfrider Foundation verified for being waterways safe, which means that our chemical formula is the only one available in the Cowichan Valley that is both safe for the environment as well as waterways. We have 8 individual ingredients that we custom blend together for your roof type. I happen to be on a clay roof today. I'd like to show you this roof and my custom phone holder right now. Look at that beautiful thing here. This is our first roof of the spring season that, oh, my phone holder just rolled off the roof here. This is the first roof that we are doing. I'm estimating it'll take about 100 roofs to be able to prevent 20,000 liters from being added to our waterways and streams this year. And I'm hoping that you'll join the mission. You'll get excellent service at price completely comparable to any other local provider. I've done a bunch of takes of this, not the best speaker for this. I just want to say we put a lot of time and effort into offering a bleach-free alternative in the Cowichan Valley. I think it's really important that we try to innovate as much as possible to bring products forward that aren't just the old tried and true. This is a custom blend that we handcrafted, and it works great. I'm not very good at this. I just want you guys to stop using bleach. Really, is what my mission is.